Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain what common mistake when replacing engine starter that can actually cause thousands of dollars of damage on your Fiat 500. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. If you have one of those and you need to find where the engine starter is located because you need to replace it, stay with us and we will explain that in this video today. And common mistake people make when replacing the engine starter that can actually burn your electronics, engine, computer modules, and it can cost you thousands of dollars. So make sure to stay until the end. We will explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here now. This is a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different, guys, engine, it will be very similar procedure. Before you guys replace or even start removing engine starter, you need to disconnect your car battery. You don't need to remove it. We're working on other components here, but you need to disconnect it because you will be removing the positive wires going to the engine starter from practically the positive wire goes from here, from the battery all the way to the starter, and if you touch it to the engine block or with any tools, you will short things out. You can burn fuses, relays, engine computer components. We did that in the past and it can cost you, guys, okay, thousands of dollars. So now if you come right here, let me show you where in most cases the engine starter will be located. Usually it will be on the intake side of the engine. Intake side is on the back side, and if you look right here, this is the oil pan, that's where you drain the oil. This is the alternator here, okay? And if you come right there, this is the engine starter, guys. Engine starter. Practically, it has only 2 bolts there, okay? 2 bolts only to remove it. One right there, it has one on top. You have to remove 2 wires. One is the positive wire coming from the car battery, usually with a nut, and you have one wire which is the signal wire coming from the ignition switch that tells the starter to turn, guys. So these 2 wires, okay, disconnect and you're practically ready to go. That's where it's located for any of you that need to remove or replace engine starter on Fiat 500. If you want to see how to test an engine starter, we have the video on our channel, how to test engine starter and find out if it's good or bad, because in some cases it could be just a bad relay, bad fuse, bad ignition switch, immobilizer, multiple things that can block your engine starter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.